YouTube, so we got another unboxing for you. We got this Energizer Recharge Universal Charger thing. Check it out. This thing can charge AA's, AAA's, C batteries, D batteries, double D batteries, and 9 volts. So I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing, get straight to the point, and then we'll cut the video to see how long it takes to charge up these bad boys. These are double D batteries, check it out. Double D's right here.
No, they're D2.
No, okay, D2 batteries. These have to go double D's. Hopefully I don't cut my hand off. Okay, let's have some stuff right here. Okay, so it comes with this stuff inside.
The charger?
Yeah, charger. Some more instructions. Wow, this is like kind of on here. Okay, so 12 volt, 1 amp output. That's what the inside looks like. Hopefully I don't got it. I just got it backwards. Okay, so we take these bad boys. Can be charged hundreds of times. I'm not too sure if these have power or not. They're really light for D batteries. They have these things on them. See those little things? Little holes. They're extremely light. Like I don't remember D batteries being this light.
How many times have you ever held a D battery?
I feel it.
I got my hands full.
It feels like
camera, baby.
It feels like there's like AA batteries inside here or something. So no, I'm serious. So I'm guessing it goes on like that. Like that. Got these other ones. Like that, and then I'm gonna drain these batteries. I'm gonna drain these batteries and then charge them up, and then I'll come back and tell you how long it took them to charge. They have smart charging technology on them, if I'm not mistaken. So they have like something inside that like, yeah. Anyway, see you guys later. Hey, what's up, guys? So if you like this video, please drop a like and then subscribe to the video for more videos on the way. Later, guys.